In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write and reply to emails in Gmail using Grammarly AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to install Grammarly, keep it handy in your browser, and use it right inside Gmail to catch errors and polish your messages before you hit send. First, head to Grammarly and install the browser extension. You can do this from Grammarly's website or your browser's extension store. Follow the prompts to add the extension, and once it's installed, make sure you sign into your Grammarly account so the tool is active. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to do so. Just complete that sign-in so Grammarly can start working wherever you write online, including Gmail. Next, pin Grammarly to your browser so it's always within reach. In most browsers, click the extensions icon near the top right, find Grammarly in the list, and select Pin. You'll see the Grammarly icon appear on your toolbar, which makes it easy to check that it's enabled and to access settings if you need them later. Now, open Gmail. Start a new message or open any email you want to reply to. In the Compose window, look toward the bottom area of the message box. You should see the Grammarly icon. If you don't see it right away, try refreshing the page or confirming that the extension is turned on. Once it appears, Grammarly is actively scanning what you type. As you write, watch for the small red dot on the Grammarly icon. That dot means Grammarly has found something that needs your attention, like a typo, punctuation issue, or a sentence that could be clearer. Click the icon to open the sidebar or hover over underlined text to see suggestions right where you're typing. You can accept a suggestion with a single click or dismiss it if it doesn't fit your style or intent. Use these suggestions to get the right versions of your sentences clean, concise, and professional. Grammarly will help with spelling, grammar, tone, and clarity, and it can often tighten up long sentences or soften overly direct phrasing for emails. Apply the fixes that improve your message and give the email a quick read-through to make sure the tone matches your goal. When everything looks good and the red dot is gone, or you see a confirmation that there are no issues, you're ready to send. That's it. Install Grammarly, pin it, open Gmail, watch for the red dot, and apply the suggested improvements to polish your emails and replies with confidence.